Discover an exclusive destination designed for wellness. An arrival where elevated experiences await. A heart where waterways flow and green landscapes breathe. Immerse yourself in self-care at an exclusive wellness centre. Indulge in a truly holistic way of life, curated mindfully, woven into nature, and infused with luxury. This is where visionary expression takes root. The Heights Country Club and Wellness.